Welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture, I'm going to show you how you can send the data from main activity to another activity by using bundle object. Means we can send the data from main activity to second activity by using bundle object on click of a second button. So let's start this lecture and head back to your Android Studio. So I'm going to use the previous project as an example. So in previous video, we have successfully able to send the data from main activity to another activity by using intent.putExtra method. Now in this lecture, I am going to use the bundle object to send the data from main activity to second activity on click of the second button. So I am going to write the code inside of this second set on click listener button. So simply I am going to make some space by pressing enter key. So first time what I am going to do, I am going to create an object of a bundle class. So I am going to type bundle. So this is the bundle, hit a tab key, then bundle equals to, with the use of new, again we need to type a bundle, then hit a semicolon to allocate the memory to the bundle object by using new operator. Then with the use of this bundle object, we need to call a method, that is bundle.putString. If you want to put a string data, you can put bunch of different kinds of primitive data type. You can say char sequence, char array, byte, binder, put all, or you can even pass a float array or integer array or float. But for this video, I am going to pass the string as an data. You can experiment it with all different kinds of method by your own or also by following some blogs on the internet. Now it's time to press the tab key. So here we need to specify the key. So I'm going to specify the key as name. Then what you want to display, this is the value that you want to display inside the text view. So here I'm going to type hello Android. Now with the use of this intent object, we need to call a method putExtras. So I'm going to type intent dot putExtras. Simply hit a tab key. Then here you need to pass the bundle as an object. So we need to pass this bundle object as an argument to this method. So I'm going to type bundle, then hit a semicolon. The rest of the code will remain same. The start activity. Also inside the second activity, we need to get this bundle. The code will remain same. So now it's time to run the application to see whether we are successfully able to send the data from main activity to second activity by using bundle object. So I'm going to run this application into my virtual emulator. So hit a OK key. So here you can see that our application is up and running. So when I click on the second button, so you can see that hello Android text is appearing in place of second activity. So if I click on the back button, so if I click on this first button, so you can see that Android text is appearing in place of second activity text. So again I'm going to click on this back button, click on the second button, so you can see that hello Android text is still appearing in the second activity text view. What I have did, so I have just simply write these two code. First I have declared the object of the bundle by using the bundle class and allocating the memory by using new operator. Then I call a method that is putString, specify the key, name, and then the value that I want to display inside the text view. Then with the use of intent object, I call a method called putExtras and then pass the bundle as an argument to this putExtras method. Then I start the activity by passing the intent as an object, and this data is sent to the second activity. Then the code is same as the previous lecture. First I have declared the variable of the intent class, that is intent, and then call a method called getIntent. So it will actually get the intent, that is this one. Then with the use of the intent object, because we are actually working with the string values, so I have declared a variable called string name. And inside of the string name, we need to initialize the variable by using the intent object and by calling the method getExtra and pass the key name, that is name. Then with the use of setText method, we set the value to the text view variable by calling the setText and passing the name as an argument. Then we are successfully able to display the data hello Android in place of the second activity text of the second activity screen. So that's all about this lecture. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.